In this video, I'll show you how to enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare. First, log into your Cloudflare account and open the website where you want to enable full-page caching. From the left side menu, go to Rules, then select Cache Rules. Now click Create Rule. Give your rule a clear name, for example, Cache Everything. Next, choose which traffic this rule should apply to. If you want to cache the entire website, set the condition to apply to all incoming requests for your domain. If you only want to cache a specific section, such as your blog or static pages, create a condition using the URL path. For example, you can apply the rule only when the URI path starts with /blog. After setting the condition, go to the cache settings section. Find the option called Cache Eligibility or Cache Status, and choose Eligible for Cache. This tells Cloudflare that the matching pages can be stored in cache. Then look for Edge TTL. This controls how long Cloudflare keeps the cached version on its servers. You can choose a value like 1 hour, 1 day, or longer, depending on how often your content changes. For static websites or pages that do not change often, a longer cache time can improve performance. For dynamic websites, be careful not to cache pages with user-specific content, such as account pages, checkout pages, or dashboards. Once everything is set, click Deploy or Save to activate the cache rule. After that, Cloudflare will start caching matching pages based on your new rule. That's it. You have successfully enabled Cache Everything in Cloudflare. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.